Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.4, Problem 13. This is Section 3.4, Problem 13. It says multiply the given numbers, and we have 4.25 times 3.75. So the decimals don't really change the process. At first, just multiply 425 times 375. Ignore the decimals, get the answer, and then put the decimals back in. So to start this process, again, pretend there's no decimals. So 5 times 5 is 25. Write the 5, carry the 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus the 2 more that you carried is 12. Write the 2, carry the 1. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 1 more that you carried is 21. That takes care of the 5. Now I have to multiply everything times the next digit, the 7. So I'm going to go down a row, put in a 0 to hold my position. 7 times 5 is 35. Write the 5, carry the 3. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus the 3 that we carried is 17. Write the 7, carry the 1. There's already 1 there. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 plus 1 more that we carried is 29. Now I'm done with the 7. I'm going to go down another row for the 3. Now I have to fill in 2 zeros, hold 2 positions. 3 times 5 is 15. Write the 5, carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 more that I carried is 7. And then 3 times 4 is 12. Now I can add all the results together. So the first column of digits, 5 plus 0 is 5. Next I have 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. Next, 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. For 13, write the 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. For 19, write the 9, carry the 1. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. And finally, nothing plus 1 is 1. So I have an answer without the decimals of 159,375. But I have to put the decimals back. So to put it back, what you have to do is go back to the question, count how many places after the decimal there were altogether in the question. 1, 2, 3, 4 places after the decimal altogether in the question. I must have the equal number of places after the decimal in the answer, also 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I put the decimal between the 5 and the 9, that would give me 4 places after the decimal, which means the answer would be 15.9375.